Hello everyone, and thank you for visiting my channel. I make videos on a number of beautiful and interesting animals that are found across the world. So, if that's something you're interested in, please click the red subscribe button down below and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of my amazing videos. Before we go, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It makes me feel happy so that I can continue to provide interesting content for you. Thank you for taking the time to view the entire video. Wild animals are usually shy and timid, but some animals can be quite aggressive. Most wild animals are not likely to attack unless they feel threatened or cornered. In order to avoid dangerous encounters with wild animals, remember the following safety tips. Don't approach wild animals. They may seem calm, but it's best to keep your distance from wild animals. Keep your eyes on the animal and your hands away from its body. If you touch the animal, it may perceive you as a threat and attack. Make loud noises if you feel threatened. It's best to avoid a confrontation with a wild animal by making loud noises to scare them off. Avoid walking through tall grass. Tall grasses and bushes can hide wild animals and make them feel like they are cornered. Keep pets close by. Pets are an easy target for wild animals. If you have pets, keep them close by while you're outside so they don't wander into the path of an attacking animal. If you see a wild animal in your yard, leave the area immediately. Wild animals are territorial, so if you enter into their territory, they may attack or chase you. Wildlife is something that we take for granted in this world. We are so disconnected from nature that it's hard to imagine a time when the world was so different. The natural world is changing at a rapid pace, and wild animals are going extinct at an alarming rate. Most people don't realize that if we were to lose the wildlife, we would lose the plants and the animals that live in them. It's important to protect our wildlife and make sure that they can continue to thrive.